Hello gardening friend. Today I'm going to plant some cucumbers along this trellis. It's right beside my raspberries. I have a space here where I want to plant some cucumbers, and I'm not real thrilled about the soil that's in here. So I grabbed some soil from other parts of my garden. So I'm going to dump that in there to give it a little bit of better soil on the top of what I already got there. Right, so I firm that down a little bit. As you can see here, I drop and chop some comfrey, and I did a shorts video on that. I'll leave a link to that in the end screen. I'm just gonna put some seeds in along here, about a 1/2 inch deep. I'll just run a little groove here. I picked up some seeds at the local garden store. This is a Burpless. This is like a bigger variety. And this is tore the top off it. Oh wait, this is the bigger one. And this is more of a, this is the one that's the Muncher. I think I'll put the Munchers at that end because I'd rather have the Munchers than these. I'm just gonna put them in here rather thickly because I don't have a whole lot of seeds left anyways. Actually not that thick because I don't have that many seeds. So let me actually put them in my hand so I won't use too many. I'll put them like every 6 inches, and then if they all grow, that would be awesome. And if they all grow, I could even thin them out if I had to. Okay, then these Munchers, I do have a few more seeds of those, so that's great. I like planting cucumbers in a mound too. But this time, they're going on the trellis. Well, I got 4 seeds, so I guess I'll just put them in there a little thicker. I do have a rabbit that seems to be coming in here and eating everything. Hopefully it won't eat the cucumbers, but you never know. Rabbits are pretty, what's the word? Voracious. I don't know if that's a word or not. I just mean they like eating a lot. And it seems like I always get bunnies in my fenced-in yard. I get the babies. I think the parents send their babies in here to get some food. Probably have generations of babies after all these years. Okay, so when these sprout, I can actually pull my comfrey back over and back around the plants. Not only will it give it nutrition, it'll give it some mulching action as well. So I took the video of planting these on Monday, and I didn't get it published. So they're already sprouting. This is Sunday, so 6 days later, we got quite a few of them sprouting. Put some sharp raspberry branches over this to try to keep the rabbits and maybe chipmunks and whatever else is trying to eat my crops, keep them from getting them. But there are quite a few of them actually sprouted here. I'm thinking it might be the Munchers because that's what I planted on this side. There's one down there. So we'll see if these briars do the trick and keep the bunnies out of there. Not sure that it will, but it's a good experiment. Otherwise, I'll just put some chicken wire like this up on this side as well, because my trellis is made of this chicken wire. So we'll see what happens. Let me know what kind of cucumbers you're planting. Leave me a comment. Love to see your comments. And get out in your garden and go grow.